Building strong connections and maintaining healthy relationships within the family is crucial for a man's development. This involves actively investing time and effort in understanding and supporting family members. Effective communication is key to expressing feelings, resolving conflicts, and sharing joys and sorrows. Showing empathy and being attentive to the needs of each family member fosters a sense of trust and closeness. Being present in significant family events and celebrating milestones together reinforces the bond. Additionally, taking on responsibilities and contributing to the family's well-being demonstrates commitment and care, strengthening the family unit and creating a supportive environment for personal growth and development.